Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A23. Stay locked in with me. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the crew. If you're new, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But let's definitely talk about this device, the A23, because it has a new software update that I want to kind of cover in this video. So make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. And if you're brand new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But let's just take a look at this device and see the new improvements that we're going to be getting with this latest software that's going to be released to the Samsung Galaxy A23. So I definitely like this device because it has a lot of features that I really like. It's got some really good speeds to it as well. It's just a real solid overall budget phone that you could actually pick up for around $100 and I would say $80 right now. You could even get it for a little bit cheaper than that, like $170, depending on where you look. But I'm gonna leave the cheapest link down below in the comment section so you guys can check it out, okay? But let's just jump into this update, and all you have to do is go into the settings right here on this guy, and then you're going to see software update. You're going to see the little orange dot with the N inside of the middle of it, and you just hit download and install, right? And I've been I've been looking at this thing to see what new improvements we're going to be getting, okay? And it says right here that the stability of the camera has been improved. The overall stability of the device has been improved, and a software update can include but not limited to stability, device stability improvement, buzz fixes, newer enhanced features, and further improvements as well. So it does also state that it will update these apps right here listed down below. So it's going to include all the Samsung Galaxy apps that are pretty much present stock. They come stock with this device, so they come with the phone, the calculator, the voice recorder, things like that, the smart things, the smart health, the Samsung Health, internet, notes, kids, things of that effect. So it says right here, this is the July 1st security 2022 on here. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and update this, and then I'm going to pause the video so you guys don't have to wait to the end of the video to actually check out the update or whatever, so I can save you guys some time. But if you go down to the bottom, it does say that this is on the May 1st 2022 security patch. So it did skip. It's going to skip June. It's going to jump right into July. So what I want to do is just go ahead and hit download so we can check this thing out, right? But this device is really impressive. It's got a 90 hertz display, 400 for the PPI, 1080 full HD plus display with 64 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a smooth performance to it. Gorilla Glass 7 is actually on here, so they did put the Gorilla Glass 7 on this thing. Android 12 comes with it right out of the gun. So it's just got a lot of impressive things to it. A 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 25 watts fast charging on here as well. And like I said before, it's been really solid all around, so I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. So I'm gonna actually download this update. But if you're still here, just type in the comment section I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me, right? I definitely appreciate you for staying this far in the video. But I just want to remind you real quick, hit the like button so we could beat the YouTube algorithm, and so you could check out more videos just like this. But I'm gonna get right back with you as soon as this update is finished. But I'm gonna pause the video right now, and make sure you guys stay locked in with me, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit install now, but this device should be up to date after that. But I wanted to see what the advanced features that they're talking about are. Obviously we do got Dolby Atmos secure folder, microphone access. We got enhanced processing already on this thing as well, which is really solid because the Note 10 got that feature. So this one got it. It's also got the side edge panel which is really convenient. 90 hertz display. So this phone is actually one of my favorites as far as the features, because we get the labs on here where we could get full window. We get quick share, Android Auto, game launcher, just to name a few of the features that we get on here. I can't think of them all off the top of my head. You know, the one-handed mode, you know, so everything just feels really smooth on here. If we go to the feature where it's going to show the display, it's going to give you that option where you can actually, you can see right here the adaptive smoothness. This thing feels super smooth right now. It's extremely smooth and fluent. So I can't stress how good this device feels right now, but obviously this is a new software update on here. And I've been checking on my Samsung Galaxy A12 like every single day to see if I'm gonna get the update, you know, on the Android 12 for the, I'm sorry, not Android 12, for the A12, the Samsung Galaxy A12. Been checking to see if we're gonna get the Android 12 on there, but it hasn't came through yet. So, and that phone is actually already on the July 1st update, which is weird. But let me hit install now, and then I'm gonna get right back with you. Stay locked in so we can check out all the new features in just a second, okay? All right, guys. So look, this device will have a new software update with a lot of bug fixes inside of here, right? Right, family. So I'm gonna go ahead and install. You know, it's gonna ask me for my PIN, right, fam? So let's just go ahead and wait for this to boot back up or whatever. So this is actually running on the Snapdragon 680, right, fam? Because it's a nice budget phone with a really good processing chip, 6nm processing chip, right? So you're gonna be able to game on here. You can see that the phone is updating. It just runs really smooth, okay, fam? So you can see right here we have all the features that we had before: the Smart View, the QR scanner, the Adobe Atmosphere Secure Folder, the extra dim, the enhanced processing, which is probably my favorite out of all those features that I just named. Also, it does say that we do have newer enhanced features, and I want to refer back to the beginning. If you didn't remember where I said that, just go back to the beginning, because that's where it said that it was going to have new and enhanced features, right, fam? So you know, everything just looks pretty straightforward like it did before. It runs pretty smooth. You can see we have status bar, quick panel layout. On the status bar option, it's just this right here, where it's going to show you the advanced settings to get your chat bubbles, conversations, snooze, show snooze button, notification reminders right there, notification history, battery percentage, and things of that nature, okay? It does say right here your phone is up to date, right, fam? So I just kind of want to scroll through here and kind of see if there's really any new features on this thing, right? Because you know, it did say that the camera, one of the things that it did mention that was very specific about this device was that the camera stability was improved, and also the phone stability was improved. So let me just I'm gonna open the camera up, kind of want to look at it. And one of the things I'm noticing with the camera is that it looks really sharp as far as the front facing camera on here. So I really like the front facing camera on here. Let me turn it to the rear camera. And you know, it does have that 50 megapixel main camera, which is like a Samsung camera on there. It's their own very own model of camera. Video, stuff like that. So we do get the night mode on here, the slow motion and the macro, as well as if you go into the photo for this thing, it does also even offer the wide angle, okay, fam? So they did say that they improved the stability for the camera and stuff like that. So I think that's going to be something that's pretty good. I'm going to test that out and just kind of see what they changed on there, right, fam? So you know, they have the quick places or whatever. They have all your widgets in the list view feature, which look pretty smooth. All those Samsung apps, like I said before, are up to date, and they have, like, I would imagine, like, new widgets to go along with it. But these are all the Samsung widgets, the Samsung Health and stuff like that, right? So pretty straightforward stuff here, you know, nothing too crazy that I was actually shocked about. Okay, but right here you can see we do have the themes for the Galaxy, and we do have the widgets or whatever, and then we do have wallpaper and style. And this is where this looks new right here, where it says color palette. So if you click there, well, it's still the same look and everything like that. You still got 5 things to choose from. They're giving you a few different themed colors to choose from. I'm not really feeling that pink too much, but you could also apply the dark mode to wallpaper. Okay, fam. So, I mean, nothing that I've really seen that's majorly different, except that the cameras are going to be getting that super cool software update that they did state. But this device is still pretty solid in my opinion, even before the update. But the fact that it did get updated is going to make it even better, more secure, more stable, things of that effect. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. If you made it to the end of the video, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, okay, family? And watch another video on the left or the right of me, okay? But I appreciate you for coming through if you're part of the crew. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. And I want to remind you to hit the like button right now. But in the meantime, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.